members of our institution, to the teaching and non-teaching personnel of San Michel. Bakit magaganda mga teacher dito? To the parents, to the students, ni hao, Dong Hei Pachoy. Ako'y taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat, sa mga magulang, mag-aaral at guro ng ating institusyon. To the members of the community here in downtown, ang nakasaysayang Chinatown sa buong mundo. Yes, because this is the oldest and I think the biggest in population na concentrated Filipino-Chinese community in the country. Namin naman ang pinagmamalaki. To our friend, the Chinatown Development Director Tony C. is also Luwak. Some, most of you is now second or third generation, like Tony is a second generation. Here, grew up